Hello guys, let's crochet the Dragon Stacking Toy today. So the main part of this toy is actually stroke, which keep all parts together. Also we might do 4 rings, and afterwards we will add some small details to each one, like legs, arms and wings and so on. And as I already said, the main part is that stroke. Yes, please enjoy. Let's crochet our first ring for our stacking toy. If you came so far, first of all, thank you very much for this, and I can recommend you to subscribe because it would be a lot of series of this video coming your way after this first one ring. As usual, we will do our first row with 30 loops on it, like a chain, and then we connect with slip stitch our beginning and the end of the first row to start our second row. The second row will contain 30 single crochet on it. After that, our increasing part is begun, we will do 5 single crochet, magic increase, repeat this pattern 6 times, and we will receive 36 single crochet in the end. What's magic increase mean? So we grabbing the yarn through the 2 next stitches instead of taking the yarn through just one next stitch. So we are grabbing through 2 next stitches. In this way, through 2 next stitches we will do 2 single crochet, and then in the second stitch, a second loop of our 2 next single crochet, in the second one we will do 1 more single crochet. So as a result, after these machinations, after these actions, we will receive 3 single crochet. 2 of them are done through 2 next loops, and the third one of them done in the second loop. We have 3 single crochet making in 2 single crochet from the previous row, which means that we done our increase. Next, first one row, we will do 6 single crochet, 1 magic increase, repeat this pattern 6 times, and we receive 42 single crochet in the end of our row. Then we will do our first one row with pattern of 7 single crochet and 1 magic increase. We repeat this pattern 6 times, and in the end of our 5th one row we will receive 48 single crochet on it. Just to repeat again what our magic increase means, it's when we are grabbing 2 single crochet through the 2 next loops or 2 next single crochet. So we do 2 single crochet on the next 2 single crochet, and then on the second one of this loop where we're taking yarn from, we do 1 more single crochet. So as a result we will receive 3 single crochet under 2 single crochet, so which means increase. On the next row we will do pattern of 8 single crochet and 1 magic ring, repeat this pattern 6 times and we will receive 54 single crochet in the end of our row. On the 7th row, we will do 9 single crochet, 1 magic increase, repeat this pattern 6 times and we will receive 60 single crochet in the end of our 7th row. On our 8th row, we still do 10 single crochet and our magic increase. We repeat this pattern 6 times and we will receive 66 loops in the end of our row. Ninth row will contain pattern of 11 single crochet, 1 magic increase. We repeat this pattern 6 times and we will receive 72 single crochet in the end of our row. For the following 6 rows, we will do pattern of 11 single crochet and 1 magic poof. I know I write here the magic increase, but it's actually mean magic poof. We wouldn't increase the amount of our stitches, we just left them as they are, but we still intend to do our poof kind of thing to continue make this ring the same way as we did in our increase and intend to do in our decrease. So it would be pattern of 11 single crochet, 1 magic poof, let's call it like this, and then we repeat this pattern 6 times and we receive 72 single crochet in the end of our row. What our magic poof mean? We still intend to do 2 single crochet through the 2 next loop, but we are skipping the 3rd one single crochet which we are doing after that. So we just continue crochet our row skipping this last beat. So it's basically mean that we are just grabbing 2 loops through the 2 next loops, and that is instead of making how to say instead of making increase and adding more loops, we just grabbing through next 2 loops 2 single crochet, so the amount of the stitches in a row left the same. On our 16th row, we will start to our magic decrease. I will say later what this means, but the pattern would be the next one. It would be 11 single crochet, 1 magic decrease, repeat this pattern 6 times, and we will receive 66 single crochet in the end of our row. Basically, the magic decrease means that we are still making this poof kind of stitch, where we're grabbing our loop through the next 2 loops, and we will do this just grabbing 1 loop through the next 2 loops without grabbing 2 as we did before, and we will skip that part where we add a 3rd one loop. So where the time for our decrease is begun, we grabbing 1 of loops through the next 2 loops, so I make single crochet, and then we continue crocheting our normal regular single crochet, skipping all of this loops which we just grabbing 1 of a single crochet through. So as a result, we might receive that on a place where it was our 2 loops, we made just 1 single crochet, which means decrease. On the next row we will do 10 single crochet, 1 magic decrease. We repeat this pattern 6 times and we will receive 60 single crochet in the end of our row. On the 8th row we will do pattern of 9 single crochet and 1 magic decrease. We repeat this pattern 6 times and we will receive 54 single crochet in the end. On the 9th row we will do pattern of 8 single crochet, 1 magic decrease. We repeat this pattern 6 times and we will receive 48 single crochet in the end. On the 20th row we will do 7 single crochet, 1 magic decrease. Repeat this 6 times and we will receive 42 single crochet in the end. Just shortly repeat what the magic decrease basically mean. We just take 1 single crochet through the next 2 loops and that is, and we continue our crochet like on the next loop. After this 2 single crochet, 2 loops, we just taking our yarn through and that is. In the next row we will do 6 single crochet, 1 magic decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times and we will receive 36 single crochet in the end of our row. And the last 22nd row will contains 5 single crochet, 1 magic decrease. We repeat this pattern 6 times and we will receive 30 single crochet in the end of our row. Then we do our regular sewing exercise, which we already know how to do and how to stuff during our sewing, so there's no repeat here. And that is, our ring is ready. Thank you for watching this video and please share if you like this video and also leave me a comment to let me know that you like it.